My dad is wrong. That dad is ugly. Why you say that? He ugly. I don't care. You want sex flicks? Nah, that ugly. What about Fast Too Furious? It's all about stupid cars. Too stupid? There's nothing I can do. Yeah, nothing I can do. Today, about I'm 15, about turn 16. It's unfair. We have to video 4 times video because something over. I mean, do it over with. Yeah. Hey, son! I get a car. It's about to go to Walmart. Oh, we gotta get going. But that want me. Bye. I'll see you later. No. Thank you for taking me to a car store. Whatever. What type? What type Nicki Minaj? Get out my truck. Whatever. Okay. Don't you dare talk to me like that. Whatever, I don't care. Are you okay, Dad? You look got a blood pressure because your mom left you. I don't care what you bought, cause my mom so love you, cause you're so cheap. What are your problem? I don't care. I got my belt, and I'm gonna beat you booty up. Hey, baby, what up, baby girl? Hey, I got a supply for you. What? Yeah, but what's it, Mel? I want some Mel. Ew! Why is that nasty boy eat lime? I did take care of that at one month. Yeah! Go subscribe because I have to end the channel. Bye.